Hi, this is Amy from Crochet Jewel channel, and I'm going to show you how to make these cute crochet worry worms. And I have that cute little tag there that you can find on my Etsy store. I have the link down below, and then you can add it to your worry worm. These are great for gifts, teacher gifts, great for kids. I used an H hook. The pattern is down below. It's an easy, simple pattern, great for beginners. And I used medium worsted yarn, as well as you can use a hot glue gun with those googly eyes. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I'm going to slip knot onto my hook and chain 30. There is no right or wrong on the chain count, but I thought that was a good length. And it measures about 4 inches with an H hook. In the second chain from the hook, I'm going to work 6 single crochet. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops for a total of 6. I'm going to work 2 single crochet in each chain until I get to the very end of my chains. I'm going to work 10 double crochet in the last chain, yarn over, insert my hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops for a total of 10. This is going to be the head. Now I'm going to slip stitch, insert my hook, grab the yarn and pull through my loop and then fasten off. Then weave in all of my ends with my yarn needle and add the eyes with the hot glue gun. And with my hot glue gun, I added the eyes on top. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this fun tutorial. The pattern is down below, so thank you for watching and please subscribe.